Back to my channel. So today is something a little different. Today is Amazon Prime Day. Basically, it's a day where Amazon will do certain things for a little bit cheaper or a lot cheaper. It just depends on what type of products you're looking for. So these are some crafty items that I found. The first thing right here is Arteza. I just added a generic pen set on here. But if you search in your top search bar Arteza, basically a lot of stuff from that brand is a lightning deal. So go check that stuff out if you like their products. Next is this one right here, which are these enamel charms. Let's see if I could click on it. Yeah. And you get 100 pieces and it's a mix. So, but I know you guys love all the pink. And this is a great deal for 100 pieces. So once you get the lightning deal, it's comes down to $9.59. Next is this. Oh my gosh. So Janae, who is Happy Meal Obsessed, she shared these. They're these little organizers. They're for jewelry, but she uses them as charms. It's got a clear acrylic top. They're normally 17 or 16 bucks. So then you get this $14 Prime and then an extra saving if you click this coupon. It'll be an empty box. Click it and you'll get an additional 5% off at checkout. So that's an amazing deal on these. I still haven't jumped the gun because, you know, I already have organization stuff for that, but if you like that, they are on sale. Next is this is a cute little bunny phone. So you can film like yourself or a close-up of your items. For instance, like this photo right here. And I saw Cheryl share this. I think she got it on AliExpress, but on here it is on sale and it's a prime deal. Next is this, which is the foam memo portable printer. It is a thermal printer, so you do not need ink. This pink one is actually on sale more than the other colors. So you're saving basically 16 bucks today. Great deal on this. Next is this, which is the Pom Pom Maker Kit. If you guys didn't find these at Tuesday morning, the We Are Memory Keepers one, this one is a great deal. You're saving 37% today. And note that there is different sizes down here at the bottom. Super cute. Love the colors of that. Next, here's another one inspired or enabled by Janae, I guess. Happy Meal Obsessed. She has this and it comes in this super cute pink holder. Comes with all the snap buttons. Some of them are different shapes like stars or circles. Super, super cute. Look at all those colors. Or you can get the mint one. These are normally 25 bucks. You're saving 20% today, so you could get either color. Super cute. This expires in 14 hours. Next are the Heishi clay beads. This one is on sale for $7.99. You're saving 20% off today. I do have this exact little kit. Next is this one. There was a lot of different brands and colors. Not all the colors are on sale, but if you guys ship little Happy Meals or racks and need bubble mailers, this is 32% off today. Look how cute these little watermelon. So cute. You get 25 pieces for 6 bucks. This is what I was talking about. There's pink ones as well. You just have to go check around for the pricing on what's cheaper, obviously. This is for the Epson printer. If you guys do sublimation printing, there's inks on sale. So this is normally 24 bucks down to $19. Here's alcohol inks. If you guys do resin and you're trying to dye your resin and dyes, this one has 1,000 reviews, almost a 5-star rating. And it's basically 50% off right now, you guys. That is such a great deal. So $16.07. And then these guys, I don't have the Cricut ones only because I don't use my Cricut as often, but you get 3 pieces. It's a knockoff. I love this brand. Once I used this brand, I never went back to my Silhouette Cameo brands. These are $9.99 for 3. So this is the one that I used for the Silhouette Cameo. It comes with 3, $9.99, standard grip. They also have different sizes down here if you wanted to get, like, I don't ever end up using those funky sizes, but the 12 by 12s. And then if you guys do a lot of weeding or vinyl type things, this is like a little light table. Normally 20 bucks. It's on sale for $13.67. And down here an additional 10% if you click that, and it'll show in your cart when you're going to check out. So even cheaper than 13. You're going to get it for like 12 bucks. Super cool deal. And then last but not least is some transfer tape. These always go on sale on the Amazon Prime Day, so you're saving basically 20%. You get a 12-inch roll, so it's 12 inches wide by 50 feet. That's an amazing deal for $13.70. All right, that is everything. I will leave all the links down below in the description box. If you guys find anything else that's super crafty, let me know because I want to go look. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video.